We now know that the DNA in every single human cell has mutations. And they mutate at 1,000 mutations per cell per day, up to 1 million mutations per cell per day. So every cell in your body is suffering decay, and each cell has 1,000 to 1,000,000 copying errors per day. All of these mutations would mean that we would cease to exist rather quickly. But God has placed inside the human genome, inside this blueprint for the structure of a human body, little tiny machines. He programmed little tiny machines in this information, and these little tiny machines spend their whole day just going up and down the chromosomes, repairing the minor mistakes. Now, they will not correct big mistakes, but they correct the minor mistakes that occur every single day. Now, here are 7 of these little machines: base excision repair, nucleotide excision repair, mismatch repair. And there are 7 little tiny machines here, and they almost never break. And God put them there knowing that human sin is going to cause the decay of the human genome. And He put those little machines there to correct the minor mistakes that occur every day. And if it were not for that, you wouldn't exist.